What happened to your iPad, you said, miss?
So me and my boyfriend was arguing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And he got me so mad. So I just threw my iPad. And then I look at it. It's all broken. And he got important stuff in it.
Damn.
So I don't know.
Wow. Don't worry. I got you.
Okay.
Let's put this guitar pick on this side. Damn. Look at this inside. Pull this down a little bit so we can disconnect the Face ID right here. Now we have to do the same thing for here.
I'm kind of scared, boy.
Look at this housing. Get this battery. Looks bad inside. It looks like this one is ripped from here too. That's the Face ID. I have to remove all these broken glasses from Face ID. We are going to clean this frame from broken glasses and try to unbend this again. I'm going to use hammer to fix this bend on the side. Not bad. We have to unbend the frame. Your iPad is ready, miss. Look at that.
Easy.
Here we go.
Oh my God. I didn't think you would be able to fix this. Even Apple said I couldn't fix it.
Really?
Yes.
Damn.
That's crazy.
Well, you got
Thank
it.
you so much. You're the
You're
best.
welcome.
You're the GOAT.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last.